Here are 3 simple and easy recipes to make rejuvenating Ayurvedic drinks. Hi everyone and welcome to Sugar Spice Nice. My name is Shweta and today I'm sharing with you some very easy and healthy Ayurvedic recipes to make refreshing summer drinks. I think the whole of India is suffering from the temperature and heat right now. So soothing drinks made from natural kitchen ingredients is exactly what we need to beat this heat. The first and the easiest one here is called the Sarsaparilla drink. For this, we need about 1 to 2 cups of water and some Sarsaparilla extract. Sarsaparilla is a herb which is known for its cooling and antioxidant properties. To make this drink, we need about 1 part of extract to 4 parts of water. Then we stir it well and serve it with a dash of mint. This drink doesn't need any additional sweetener as the extract already has a little bit of sugar content and even some saffron or kesar in it. It can be consumed once or max twice a day as it is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Sarsaparilla has been traditionally used for its cooling effect, making it ideal to reduce heat and soothe the body during summer. I'm going to leave a few links for my recommended Sarsaparilla concentrates in the description box below. Just like the previous one, next recipe also gets ready in only 5 to 10 minutes. This here is a herb called Sariva. It is known as Indian Sarsaparilla, while both Sariva and Sarsaparilla have similar qualities, but their origins are different. Sariva is native to India and used primarily in Ayurveda, whereas Sarsaparilla is mainly found in Central and Southern America. This is what Sariva looks like when it is turned into a powder. This can be bought online or from any Ayurvedic store as well. To make this drink, firstly heat some water. Once it starts to boil, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of Sariva powder to it. Let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes and then turn off the heat. Allow it to cool down and then enjoy it anytime. This herb helps to balance the 3 doshas in the body. It also has a calming effect on the mind and body, making it an excellent addition to anyone's daily routine. Honestly, the color of this drink is kind of deceptive because it actually does have a very strong flavor but looks really mild. And I found myself enjoying it with every meal in this Ayurvedic center. Although drinking water during meals is not advised by many doctors, water with Sariva can be consumed anytime as it helps digestion. Final drink for the day is this immunity boosting concoction. Best part is that it can be made with simple kitchen ingredients. All we need is some cumin seeds, a handful of fresh mint leaves, black pepper, 1-inch piece of ginger and some jaggery. We begin with boiling some water in a pot, then we add some cumin seeds, mint leaves, black pepper and crushed ginger to it. While this simmers, let me share the importance of each of these ingredients. Jeera or cumin seeds aids in digestion and helps reduce bloating. Mint leaves, that is pudina, has cooling properties that help in reducing body heat. Black pepper enhances digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. All of these together make this drink a very powerful remedy that helps boost our immunity system. After boiling, once the drink begins to reduce in quantity, we proceed to the final step, which is to add jaggery syrup. But before that, it is important to turn off the flame. Gur or jaggery is a natural sweetener that provides energy and has detoxifying properties. It is available in many forms. You can get a whole block or powder or even syrup of jaggery and add it as per your taste preferences. Here we have added about 3 to 4 spoons of jaggery syrup. After giving it a good stir, strain it and serve it steaming hot or cold. This kadha can help in maintaining overall health and preventing common ailments. And yes, it can be had in summer as well. This herbal concoction and the other Ayurvedic drinks help support our immunity system through the harsh weather and seasonal changes. I think by integrating such Ayurvedic recipes and natural ingredients into our daily meals, we can maintain a refreshing and balanced lifestyle. These recipes were shared with me by the team here at Indus Valley Ayurvedic Center in Mysuru, which is one of the premier Ayurvedic centers in the country. If you want to know more about Indus Valley Ayurvedic Center, then I'm going to leave a bunch of my videos from my past visits there. Do check them out, and I'm also going to leave their website and other details in the description box. If you are going to try to make any of these unique recipes, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and also tag Sugar Spice Nice India if you post about it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who will find this helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and Ayurvedic tips. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!